Rocks and minerals, sedimentary rocks.
Vocabulary. Fossils, buried bones and once-living organisms. Sediments, naturally occurred material broken down from weathering and erosion. Erosion. It is a process of material that is gradually wearing away from things like wind, rain, and other weather. Compaction. Squeezed together tightly by a lot of weight. Sedimentation. Minerals filling gaps that weren't filled by sediments. Precipitation. It is a state of matter that falls under gravity.
Where you can find sedimentary rocks. Most sedimentary rocks can be found near water like lakes and rivers, where the ground and rocks are mostly eroded away. Deserts where the wind erodes the earth is also a place to find some sedimentary rocks. Also, sedimentary rocks make up about 70% of all Earth's rocks, so they are the most common.
How sedimentary rocks are formed. Chemicals may precipitate when water evaporates. Particles may be cemented together. Chemical sedimentary rocks are formed when crystals precipitate out of a liquid, like water evaporating, such in salt water, and then the salt would be still left there after the water has been evaporated. Just pictures in a video.
What are sedimentary rocks? Sedimentary rocks are one of the three types of rocks, metamorphic, igneous, and sedimentary, and are made by sediments being cemented and compacted together in one giant chunk of rock. Sedimentary rocks can actually be made of the pieces of the other rock types. Sedimentary rocks come in all shapes and sizes, and an example of a large sedimentary area is the Grand Canyon. Uses of sedimentary rocks. Most sedimentary rocks are used towards the construction of buildings and pathways, and an example of a building made of sedimentary rock is the White House, which is made of sandstone.
Chemical and classic rocks. Chemical rocks are formed from crystals that precipitate, while classic sedimentary rocks are formed when rocks are compacted and cemented together.
Types of sedimentary rocks. Sandstone. Sedimentary rocks are made when rocks are broken into fragments, and those fragments are cemented together to form a new rock. As the name implies, sandstone contains sand-sized grains of rock fragments and individual minerals broken down from other older rocks. Salt rock is typically formed by evaporation of salty water, such as seawater, and is dissolved. One finds salt rock and deposits by rigging dry lake beds, inland marginal seas, and enclosed bays, estuaries, and arid regions of the world. Shale is fine-grained sedimentary rock that forms from the compaction of silt and clay-sized mineral particles that we commonly call mud. This composition places shale in a category of sedimentary rock known as mudstones. Limestone, a hard sedimentary rock composed mainly of calcium carbonate or dolomite, used as building material in the making of sediment, mostly found in Spearfish Canyon and caves.